What is going on, guys? Welcome to my video. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to create a trigger in Zendesk. First of all, we should go to the admin center. After that we will click on objects and rules. We will go to triggers. We will click on create trigger. For the sake of this demonstration, we're going to select high priority escalation notification. For the description, we will just put something like okay, here we go, we have the description. Now for the category, we will go ahead and create a new category. We will call this escalation management. And then we will go to add conditions. Category, we're going to select this as a ticket. Priority operator is, value is going to be high, and we will add another condition. Ticket status, operator is open. There we go, we've created two conditions. Now, just for those of you guys who do not know what a trigger is in Zendesk, a trigger is like an automated rule that runs when certain conditions are met in a ticket. Think of it in a way as a way to automate repetitive tasks so that your team can respond faster and focus on what matters the most. Okay, we will keep going with creating the trigger. We'll click on add conditions. Category, we're gonna select tickets. We will go to tags. We will select contains at least one of the following, and then we will type keywords like escalation urgent. I'll click on add actions. We will select ticket. We'll go to group, value, support, and there we go, guys, we have it. And boom, we have our trigger created, guys, as you can see. There we go. If you found this valuable, please make sure you give this a like, click subscribe, and if you want to know how to do something specific on Zendesk, please let me know in the comments below. I'll see you guys in the next video.